Applying watermarks to your WooCommerce product images on WordPress offers several advantages. First, it protects your images from being stolen or used without authorization, making it difficult for competitors or unauthorized users to misuse them. Second, it helps with brand recognition, as adding your logo or brand name to the images reinforces your identity and ensures people know the source when the images are shared online. Third, it discourages unlicensed use because the watermark stays visible even if the image is used elsewhere. Lastly, it adds a professional touch to your product images, building trust with potential customers and enhancing the perceived value of your brand. So today, I'll walk you through how to automatically apply watermark to all your WooCommerce video with just a click with the Media Folder plugin. The Media Folder plugin is an incredibly powerful tool for organizing and managing media files in WordPress. It lets you create a structured folder system right inside the WordPress media library, making it super easy to locate, organize, and categorize your files. Some standout features include drag-and-drop file management, seamless compatibility with popular page builders and plugins, media filtering, SEO optimization, and even cloud integration with services like Google Drive and Dropbox. It's user-friendly, time-saving, and a perfect solution for anyone dealing with a large amount of media content on their WordPress site. Plus, it comes with a built-in watermark feature that's simple to set up. All you need to do is head to the Media Folder settings in your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to the Rename and Watermark section in the left column. From there, you'll find the Watermark option. Just select a watermark image from your library, save the changes, and you're all set. It's that easy. Setting it up is really simple, but how does it actually work? Once you enable the watermark setting, any media files you upload in the future will automatically be stamped with the watermark in the fixed location and size you've chosen. If there are certain folders or categories you don't want to be affected, you can adjust the settings to exclude them. With this feature, when you add a new product to WooCommerce using a media file from your library, the watermark will already be applied. Let me show you how this works using one of my products. I'll add it to my page to check if the watermark appears correctly. As you can see, there's a small watermark in the upper left corner of the product image, which I set in the settings. If you want the watermark in a different location, like the bottom or center, or if you want to adjust its size, you can explore the settings for more customization options. And of course, you can always double-check your media library to ensure the watermark is being applied properly. Thanks for watching this video. If you're watching this video from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about new plugin features and ask us any questions using the comments. And of course, you'll find all the useful links we've talked about in the description. Have a productive day. Bye.